Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. I'm gonna try doing another video today. Not sure how well it's gonna go. It looks like it might rain. I'm gonna try and go for a mountain ride and show you guys my new truck. Yeah, got a new truck. For those of you who don't know, I might just post this video on YouTube and not share it on Facebook right away. So that way the subscribers have a little edge against the ones who are not subscribed. I'm sitting in my new truck right now. Yes, it is white buffalo on the back window. I don't know if it's going to be backwards in the video or not. Find out when I edit it. All right, let's go. It's shaping up to be pretty nice up here. It's a little dark. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain. I just wanted to break up that time lapse and talk to you about what's going on. I'm at a pretty straight stretch. It's pretty flat. There's not too much traffic up here. I've seen about 2 vehicles. Heading to a lookout that I filmed the video at before. Actually, my first video I filmed there. But I've been wanting to come up here ever since I got this truck, so about a week now. Yeah, a week exactly today. Yeah, I'm by myself. My cameraman was going to do something, aka my sister. Guy's riding a 4-wheeler on the road. Made sure I didn't hit him. So once I get to the lookout here, I'll show you what the truck looks like, and yeah, hopefully I get some good pictures, even though it's not sunny out. Should be still a pretty nice day, as long as it stays clear, no rain. Just wanted to give you guys that update. You guys have watched enough time lapse for today, I think. If you watched all of that time lapse, congrats. It's actually sunny up here now, so hopefully it's really sunny where I'm going to film the actual footage of the truck at. It should be really sunny. All the clouds are coming back in. What else do I want to say? I'm not going to film anymore time lapse, even though there's some pretty nice roads out here and we're getting sun now. But I think you guys have seen enough of dirt road on this video. If you've watched the whole thing, hopefully you didn't skip. I'll know it if you did. Anyways, yeah, you guys will see the new trucks very soon. Alright guys, I made it. Sorry it's windy up here. Hopefully the audio is not complete trash. I keep looking at the screen, but the camera's over here. If it bothers you guys, I'm sorry, but really I'm not. pretty nice up here, actually. It's not quite sunny. There's some dark clouds, but all in all, it's pretty nice. But that's not why you guys are here. Or are you here for the lookout? Or are you here for what's at the lookout? I'll show you here. There she is, guys. Or he. I'm gonna call it a he. I'm not a big fan of calling vehicles she. White Buffalo. That's what I'm calling it. Oh, him. Let me get back a little bit, give him a better shot. It's completely stock right now. Stock wheels, stock tires, stock size tires, not stock tires. Don't think so. Fresh dirt, always a bonus. Came with a bed cover. It is used. It is a 2016, so did not come with a sticker. That sticker was made by cameraman, aka my sister. Dual exhaust, chrome tips, color match bumpers, so pretty sweet. I am not a vehicle reviewer, but I'm gonna show you all its quirks and features, and I'll give you the assess score. Shout out to Doug DeMuro. I love your videos. Not trying to be you, not trying to be a vehicle reviewer. Just want to show you my new vehicle. Yeah, I love the color match bumpers. I mean, I don't hate the chrome bumpers, but with the white, I love the color match. I mean, although it's kind of like cheap plastic, I mean with the chrome it's metal, but I don't know. I really like the color match bumpers. What else? Oh, let me show you guys one feature it does have. I'll see if I can get it to work here. Again, I'm sorry about the wind noise. It bothers. Sorry guys about that interruption. I don't like filming when other people are watching. I'm not quite used to this thing yet. Pretty shy about it right now. That is cool. How like the dirt like follows the tread. That is interesting. Never seen that before, or noticed it before. Anyways, let's see if I can get this to work. The best feature of a remote start. Oh yeah. 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. That's the best feature of this truck. Second best remote start. Anyways guys, I've had it for a week now. I love it. Not too many issues. There's one or two things that I'm kind of weary about. Mainly it's electronics, which I think Dodge is known for electronic issues. There's already 2 recalls on it, and it's only been around for 4 years. It's only 4 years old, 4, 5. If they bought it in 2015, it's 16 year. I don't know. It's a pretty base model. The remote start was actually added on by the previous owners. Has quite a few miles. I won't go into that right now, but that's how I got it at a really good price. Yeah, you guys can hear. She purrs. I'll shut that off right there. Anyways, I love it. Hope you guys like it too. Might be in some more videos soon. Let me get back to this lookout here. Yeah guys, this is a lookout I was at in my first ever video that I filmed, the quarantine ride number 1. Uno. This is actually Penn's view, if you recall from the first video. It's located in Center County, Pennsylvania. This is where I said about the garbage And again, there's garbage. Not actually, not as much as there was the last time I was here. Somebody rode horses up here. Here, that or was Amish up here. In a buggy. But it is Penn View. Google it. You can find it yourself if you live anywhere nearby. It's a great lookout. One of my favorite places in Pennsylvania that I can get to pretty easily. Actually, it takes me about 20 minutes to get here from my house, my apartment. Let me get me a little focus there. There we go. We brighten it up a little bit. There we go. That is actually the town of Coburn down there. I actually filmed at a lookout, I think it was on the other side of that mountain right there. Maybe. It was one of them mountains. Maybe it's actually further down that way. There is actually a tunnel down there where I filmed one of those tunnels. The other tunnel is over that direction. But that was I believe it was the second tunnel I filmed at. And you can see the little bridge there, that's the railroad bridge, and the tunnel came through and came out on the other side there. Basically just to cut off from them going around this little, little stick out mountain part. And I think the railroad continues down through there. And then the bridge goes down, around down that way to this side of that mountain. You can't see because of the trees, but the other tunnel is down that way. So there's a little background information if you guys were interested in that. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I really enjoy making them. I really enjoy going rides. And I hope you like that white buffalo beauty. Yes, I am calling it white buffalo. Hate it or not. That's what its name is. You get a quick snapshot of it there. Oh yeah. Dirt and all. Anything else? Sorry about the shaky footage on time lapse. Roads are really rough. And they're really wet too. There's garbage. Somebody's air freshener thing. Yeah. If you like these videos, it really helps me out a lot if you click that thumbs up icon down below. It's like, it really helps me out a lot. It gets more people to see these videos. It encourages me to make more, honestly. Now the sun comes out. I'm almost done filming. The sun comes out. Maybe I'll throw in an extra time lapse of me driving around if you guys want to see that. Oh, what else is there? Click notification bell. Actually, click subscribe down below. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Sorry. Subscribe to me. Helps me out a lot too. And then click that bell, because every time I post a video, you'll know. Especially if you have the YouTube app on your phone, it'll go off. If you're new to YouTube, explaining it audio. Sorry, can't find my words. That's how I usually am, anyways. I just laugh about it usually. Maybe I'll throw in bonus view. Maybe one that I haven't been at before. I don't know. Do you guys like longer videos or short videos? Let me know down below too. But if you guys want to see more footage, I'll throw it in at the end, bonus. But the main reason I made this video is to show off my truck, and I wanted to go for a ride. So I hope you guys like the truck. I love it. It was like a spontaneous buy almost. Not really. I didn't really want a white truck, but it's really growing on me, the white. Especially with the color match bumpers and then the chrome details, like the chrome horn, chrome ram, and then chrome wheels, chrome headlights. Wish they were LED, like halogen works. Chrome badging again. Again, I'm not a car reviewer, but Hope you guys liked the video. Again, please like and subscribe. That's it. See ya. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're still watching, it means you're watching bonus footage right now. This is called Chocolate Drop Vista. It's right down the road from Penn. Penn is back that way. Not very far, like 5 minutes. Get off my truck here. I'll show you the view. Alright, thanks for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed. Again, like, subscribe, share, all those things. See you in the next one. Peace!